Alright guys, shoutout sa lahat ng mga followers, viewers, friends, and relatives dyan. Right, welcome to Chef's Mike Vlog. For today's video, we're gonna make some chicken curry guys for us. For our dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Hindi pa tayo kumakain. Right, bigyan tayo natin. Ito yung ating ingredients na guys. Ito yung mix na mga spice. Ito yung ating garlic, ginger, at onion. Ito yung ating chicken breast. Saka ito yung anak natin Melanie na pogi. So igisa na natin to guys. Ikot-mikot natin yan. Yan. So chicken curry by Chef Mike. Yan pala 4:35. So alas 5 bukas ng restaurant. Pero may order na sa bar. Ngayon. So vegetable. Order na tayo guys. So si Chef Aldon. Right.